I'm Alexandro. I'm head of unit within a research center, Poliedra, of Politecnico di Milano. And I'm here to represent the Milano Challenge. In the municipality of Milano, they live 1,400,000 people, but the metropolitan area is much bigger. They have 3 million people. Our, let's say, challenge concern a particular district in the south east part of Milano, where we would like to promote a more sustainable way of living concerning mobility, energy, and the circular economy.
Sharing our agendas more.
The challenge is to integrate together innovative ways of, for a more sustainable way of moving, so mobility, a more sustainable way to produce and to consume energy. For mobility, we have been experiencing the fact that sharing mobility can be a solution, not the only solution. It has to be sided with others solutions, measures, and the next, let's say, revolution will be autonomous driving. That will change everything, from taxi to demand-responsive transport to carpooling to car sharing and also public transit.
Green pride, but then we change.
This event helped me to, let's say, put together different perspectives, to have people with different cultural backgrounds, different experiences, to think about our problem and to propose different solutions. The reframing of the challenges and taking into account the new solutions is helping us to understand how we can do better, because at the end this is the final objective: do better.
Do everything with us, so I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
The whole system can provide you a more broad vision in your problem, can provide more systemic actions, because right now the problem that we are facing do not require just an expertise on transportation, an expertise on environmental pollution. They require a systemic view of the problems and on the governance, on the ways to face such challenges.